I got to ask this question. How do I create an email signature in Gmail or Google Workspace that includes images and hyperlinks? I'm going to show you how to do it in this video, but before I do, hit that subscribe and notify button because I create all of that content for you. So if you guys see I go create an email, I got an email signature right there. It's my email signature. Now it's pretty simple. So let me show you how to do it. Come out of here and go to Sprocket, see all settings. In see all settings, right here under general, scroll down, and right here is signature. Now, I'm gonna get rid of the signature right here. Let me just delete that. Let me create a new signature. And I'm gonna call this testing and create. Now I can put anything I want in the right. You can see I have full formatting. I can change the font from various different fonts. I can make it small, medium, large, huge text, bold, italics, underscore. I can change the color of various pieces of text in here. I can add a hyperlink. I can image. I can left, right, justify, put bullets in there. I can also get rid of the formatting, put a quote text, and I can get rid of stuff. And I have a bullet list as well. So let's go ahead and give one. So first of all, I always put a blank line above everything. Then I put my name. Then I put my email address. And here's my email address. Now I want it to be a hyperlink. So I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to hit Control K, or I can click on this icon right here. And by default, because it looks like an email address, Google makes it an email address. Now I want to put my web address. I can just put burrisconsulting.com. Now again, I can highlight that, and I don't need to teach you how to highlight. Shift, arrow. Look, hold the Shift key and hit the right arrow and highlight it all. Or I can, if I want to, I can just double click on that line, triple click on that line, triple click, and then click the link. And because it looks like an email or looks like a website, it made it a website. But I know mine for a fact is a secure website, so I can go here and put the S in there and then hit OK. Now I can also test it by clicking on it. And boom, it brought it up. Now, what else can I do? I can put an image. So if I want to put an image, come down here, click on the image icon. And let's go get my logo. I put my logo in there. Let's kind of make this bigger. I hate the fact I can't see the whole thing. The image is too big. Click on the image and go small. Make it smaller because it's way too big. Now, also, I can highlight the image and I can do Control K or click on this icon over here. I can put my web address and hit OK. And now that image is a hyperlink to my website. And by the way, I should always check it. And it worked. And so I can put images. I can put a list. Call me for this. I can highlight these items here. And I can go over here and I can say I want a numbered list, or I click down here and I want a bulleted list right here. I can create a bulleted list. Pretty much any of the formatting that you can do in an email message, you can do in a signature. Now, once I create it, then I can decide where I want to use it. I can say that, for new emails, I want to use testing. And for replies, I want to use default. Then you come down the bottom, you hit save. Now I want to hit compose. Look what it did. Name, email address, website, image with a hyperlink. And then there's a bulleted list of ideas. Now, probably wouldn't do all that, but you have all these features when you create an email signature. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create an email signature. See all settings that presents the information that you need to present to the people that you email, so they have what they need to be able to get to, so they can continue their conversation with you. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist. Hope this is helpful for you.